Hello everybody, I'm here to show you how I make lattes on my Breville Barista Express. It does not have to be done on this exact machine, however this is the one that I'm using in this video today. I will put a link in the description. What I'm doing right off the bat here is I'm just rinsing out my machine to get it warmed up, and then I'm just going to start grinding my beans right before I use them. After I'm done grinding my beans, I'm going to tamp them down with this tamper. This one came with the machine, however you can buy your own. When you are tamping, you want to make sure that you are applying even pressure and that your beans are as flat as possible. I'm going to put my portafilter in place. I'm going to be pulling 2 shots of espresso. I'm just going to add 2 pumps of Monin syrup to my coffee because that's how I like it. Now when you fill your pitcher, it is important that you fill it up to the midway line, right at the base of the spout. And I'm going to begin to steam my milk. When you begin steaming, make sure you keep your wand at the very top of the milk. You should hear a slight ripping sound. This is creating little air bubbles in your milk and giving it that foamy texture. Once the pitcher becomes warm to the touch, you are going to want to fully submerge the steaming wand into the milk. This is going to heat it up the rest of the way. You should only steam your milk up until the point where it starts to become uncomfortable to the touch. Once your milk is done steaming, turn off the steaming wand, and then you are going to take a wet rag or sponge and purge your steaming wand. You do this simply by turning on the steaming wand again and wiping off any excess milk. Tap the milk jug on the counter and stir it using a circular motion with your hand. This is going to get rid of any bigger bubbles that you don't want in your foam. As soon as you've done this, you can begin pouring your milk. Start higher so that the milk goes to the bottom of the latte, so you preserve some of the crema. You can get closer and more gentle with your pouring as you get closer to the top.